Hey guys, this is KyLudwig with Bish's RV in Junction City, Oregon. Today I'm going to show you a 2022 Freedom Express 310 BHDS. So this comes with two slide outs. So as you can see on the right hand side here, we got two big slide outs there, which is really great. We got the fiberglass front cap with the front window and the LED lights. Very, very sleek look as you're driving down the road. Gonna look really good. You also got your pass-through storage here with a couple little boxes, as well as some accent lighting in there. First time I've seen that. And you also got the slam latches as well, very thick, and slams right in there. You got your power awning right on the top with the LED lights. This coach does come with two entrances. Here's one, and then there's two. As we come towards the back, this is equipped with Asdel, so it's essentially impervious to water damage, so rot, decay, mold, mildew, and more importantly, delamination. So you can see here we got our outdoor kitchen, we got the fridge, we got a place for your utensils, more storage here on the side, got a plug right here, as well as some more storage. You can even put your speakers right up there if you have any Bluetooth speakers or anything like that. Once again, we have these springs that are, you don't have to be super strong to close or open these. It's really, really easy for everyone to do it. So as long as you can reach it, very, very easy to go ahead and just do that. So let's go ahead and take a look inside the coach. Got our solid steps here. And when you come into the Freedom Express, to me, this screams quality. We got our solid surface countertops, removable countertops as well. Ample storage on the top here. Just go ahead and take a look around. Storage on the top there. Got our microwave convection oven, as well as the 3-burner stove top here. Real sleek and nice. We even have the LED lights right here on the oven knobs and the oven. Ample storage on the bottom as well for your silverware, utensils, pots and pans, you know, anything like that. We also have our fridge and freezer. And if you take a look on the left side, you can see we have some seating here, a love seat, which can be used as a sleeping space as well. We have this U-shaped dinette, very spacious, and it's got this freestanding table. So, you know, you can move it if kids are a little too small. You can bring it up to them. Either way, it's really, really cool. This does come on the slide out, and what I love about this too, if you look on the ground here, this is flush with the carpet. It's not even carpet. It's flush with the floor, so it's not separated by carpet. And you even had some LED lights on the bottom there. Really, really cool. You can even see in here, we got some storage up here with some more LED lights, because everything's got to be lit, as the kids would say nowadays. Just straight awesome. Okay, go over here into the bedroom, which is in the front of the coach here. We got a queen size bed. You also have these sliding doors here for more privacy. Got ample storage right on the sides as well as the top. You even have your reading lights in here, and it's got 3 windows, so you feel like you're still in nature and soaking up camping while you're taking this Freedom Express out. And you can look out the front window, which is really, really nice. Got your entertainment center here. We got the Insignia big screen TV, radio, as well as the fireplace, because it is getting cold. And just more storage on the bottom for your entertainment needs. Quite nice. Now, this is a BHDS, which means it is a bunkhouse. So before we go into the bunkhouse separate room, we got more ample storage right here on the side. And let's take a look in the bathroom. Look at that. Awesome. It even has that separate door, so if you don't want kids coming in and out and getting their footmarks in here, you can just go straight to that door and they can use the bathroom while they're camping, or while you're camping. Come on back to the bunkhouse. To the right here, we got one bunk. And we also have the spring here, which makes it super easy to lift. You You don't have to be super strong. You even have a couch here if the kids just want to play here. You can even convert it into a sleeping space. Super simple. I know I look like a strong guy, but that was not hard at all. Then you can just pull this down. And then if you take a look on the left side, we got another bunk here. The ladder's right on top, and you can put the ladder right here on these latches. We have some USB ports. Kids are gonna love that, as well as the electrical outlets with the windows on both sides and in the very back here. Super, super nice. We got the TV backing area just right there for TV hookups. We also have some more storage in here for their clothes, shoes, toys, anything that they would want, need, or like. You know, and if the kids are getting a little bit too rowdy, you can also, they do have a sliding door. Thank goodness for that. So yeah, this is the 310 BHDS. Guys, if you have any questions whatsoever, feel free to contact me. My name is Kyle, and my phone number is 541-799-8794. Look forward to seeing you. Thanks for watching.